my channel, Nicole's Crafty Creations. Today I'm going to be trying this new Sublimation coating that I bought off of Amazon. It'll be the first time that I tried it, so I thought I would make a video to share with everybody. It's called DIYS Sublimation Coating. I'll have the link in the description. So I have already coated the items and cured them per the instructions that came with the coating. Today we are going to use a mug that I got from the Dollar Tree. Then also a 10-inch wooden round sign. I'm not really sure how this is going to work, but we are going to try it together. Alright, so let's get started. I do recommend, if that you are going to try this, that you do it in a well-vented area and that you wear a mask. It is very strong when you mix it and when you are pouring it to your items. So the first thing we're going to do is the mug and the tumbler. We are going to put our image on there and then put them in the oven. So for our mug, I printed out this cute little saying that says "for Fox's sake." And what we're going to do is place it on the mug like this, and then we are going to tape it down. We want to make sure that it is completely flat and that you have no air underneath it, because you don't want any ghosting. Alright, there is one. Next is our tumbler, and what I'm going to do for this one, I have this handwritten note from my grandmother that passed away last year. So we are going to just place it on here. And the same thing, we're going to tape it down. Alright, I would like to take this time to ask you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, we got both of them all taped down like we want. Next thing to do is, wrap them in a plastic saran wrap. And this is all it does, is make that airtight where there's no air getting in and pressing that image down onto your tumbler or mug. Alright, so you do this by either a hot gun, like one of these, or you can use a blow dryer, either one. And this does get really hot, so you want to make sure you're not pointing it towards anything that can catch on fire. And you want to get it to where it is completely flat and tight around the cup. You want a very tight seal. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with our mug. And my wraps are big, so I am just actually going to cut it in half. Alright, same thing. That's as good as I get it on my mug. So now we are gonna put these in my little toaster oven for 2 minutes and 25 seconds. And then we are gonna rotate them and turn them back on for another 2 minutes and 25 seconds. All right. This is the oven that I use, and I have it on 350, and I'm gonna place the tumbler and the mug in the oven. I did preheat it, so it is hot already. So lay them down. And we are going to set a timer. All right, so it's time to take our tumbler and mug out. Let's pull them out. All right, we got our mugs out, so let's go ahead and take off the silicone, off the cup, the silicone. I might have cooked it too long. So it's on there, you just can't see it very well. Let's see what our mug looks like. So the tumbler, I cooked too long, and the mug, I think I could have cooked a little bit longer. Focus and zoom in a little bit. Do you see it? You can see how much ink is left on the paper. So maybe if I cooked it a little bit longer, I would have got more ink. But the coating for the Sublimation did work on this Dollar Tree mug. So we just gotta play around until we get the temperature right. All right, so the last thing we're gonna try is the wooden sign. Okay, here's our wooden sign. We are gonna tape this tree to it. My machine doesn't print as large as the wooden sign, but y'all get the picture. So we're just gonna put it on here, and then we are gonna tape it down. All right, so now we are going to see what it looks like on wood, if it works on the wood. All right, so we got our mat, our wood, we taped it down, our Teflon paper. So I'm gonna press this at 400 for 30 seconds. Look at it and see if we need a little bit more, because I'm not really sure of the time. It didn't come with that. All right. My image moved a little bit, so it is not perfect, but as you can see, the coating does work. The name of it again is in Goodies, Sublimation coating. So if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on buying mugs and tumblers that already have that sublimation coating on it, you can spend, I think this was about $30. It comes with this bottle. So you mix 10 ounces of this with 0.5 milliliters of the activation. Mix it together. Put it on your products that you want. Let it dry. I let mine dry for probably 6 to 7 hours, and then I cure them per the instructions that come with the kit for each thing. I think I had to bake these for 22 minutes, and I had to press this for 12 minutes after the coating dried. But as you can tell, it does work. So I will link both this product in my description down below. All right, comment down below and tell me what you think. See you next time. Thank you for watching.